losing some of the structural elements of the skin. And so things that make you age also go deeper than the skin. So the first thing we want to talk about is your diet. Now, I've never had a great diet, and I'm somebody who absolutely loves sugar. It's one of my favorite things on earth, but I'm finding as I get older that sugar is truly the devil when it comes to the body and to skincare in general. And so sugar, high glycemic diets are one of the few things that are highly associated with acne, but are also highly associated with aging.
Right, and so this is a consistent theme across the board. I've personally come to the realization that for me, simple carbohydrates and generally carbohydrates in general need to be almost eliminated. So if you take the old food pyramid, like they've already done, and kind of flipped it upside down, that seems to be a better way to go. And simple carbohydrates do multiple things though on the cellular level. So high glycemic index means that if you eat a carbohydrate or eat a food in general, it breaks down to glucose rapidly, or free sugar. And that is associated with insulin spikes. It's associated with a lot of different things on the long term for your whole entire body. And one of the things it does, a study has shown it causes cellular senescence for your fibroblasts. These are cells in your skin that help give it some structure that creates this like youthful bounding appearance. And over a long period of time, high levels of, free glucose exposure can actually make those less active. And that's just one change.
We see the extremes of what high glucose levels can cause in the body in our patients who have diabetes. So when you have extended high levels of glucose in the body over periods of time, it causes something called non-enzymatic glycation. Now this happens in your kidneys, this happens in your eyes, this happens to all of your blood vessels, where basically these high levels cause this glycation, which damage your blood vessels, can damage your vision, can cause renal failure. But in the skin, it also glycates your collagen and your elastin, which makes you look older. It also narrows your blood vessels so that you have decreased blood flow to your skin, which can also make you look less useful. So it's actually that high levels of sugar are directly damaging your collagen and elastin, which will make you look older.
Right, so if you had to adjust one thing in what you eat, balancing out the carbohydrates, removing high glycemic index foods is probably going to be one of the most impactful things, not only adjusting your skin health, but also your overall health. So that's what you should avoid.